Today we will show you the lodge in which we work here at the Moulin Rouge. So this is a place where we've been working for 2 years. Right now we're gonna go into the lodge right here. So actually the reason why we're making this little tour is because we're leaving the Moulin in a month and a half. We're going for new adventures, and so we just wanted to memorize this mesmerizing place forever. So here we have little lights up there. This is my side of the room where I keep my shoes there, mats and all my stuff. This is like the special snack jar. This is where I keep my makeup. See how everything is just looking so nice.
Well, this is my side.
Your side. Where?
And see how great my side looks? It has lots of pictures.
Yeah.
But these are actually pictures of both of us. And I have 2 shelves.
You do?
I have my training clothes and other stuff I need. I have a makeup drawer which does not look as nice as Francis's one, but I mean it's still good.
Yeah.
And then I have a cookie, snack and money drawer.
Yeah.
Which looks like
well,
that's a half-eaten cookie.
then there's under.
There's under, and then there's this really cool thing. And this one.
This is actually the massage machine I bought you for your birthday.
I don't use it this often, but Francis bought me this for my birthday. It's a massage machine. And this is the sink.
Or wash our feet like this before going on stage.
It looks very sexy.
And this Moulin picture to remind us where we work. This is Lea's closet, Lea's side.
Well, it's not really true because that's your towel.
Yeah, that's my towel,
this
but
is your jacket.
But that's it. I mean, the rest is yours.
But the rest is mine.
And
This
the
is my
little
towel,
box there.
All of my costumes. Then I have the bear costume.
Bear costumes. And we have my side there.
We have thongs.
Thanks for.
And you have costumes.
And we have our clock to see what time it is all the time.
The clock.
And pictures in the corner in this huge mirror, which we use all the time.
It's a nice dressing room.
It's a really nice dressing room. I'm gonna miss this dressing room. And this is like hot.
Yeah.
This is how I warm up. Before the show now. It's perfect warm up.
It's actually so hot that every time Francis goes into the shower, I turn it down.
I know you do, and when I come back I turn it off.
Exactly.
Anyway.
It's like this conversation we never have where we both just do it.
Yes. Did we mention the shower?
Oh, true. It's getting loud. Want to see the shower? You want to see the shower? Come. So we have a mirror.
Right here. And
It's
this
like an apartment.
this is the shower, like the super huge shower. We have our own private toilet. And there is the pillar there. They're our neighbors.
They're coming.
They're coming! We were about to go and show your dressing room. How clean it is!
Really clean, really clean.
And this is the stairs to go down. Woo!
Là, elle s'est allongée sur la table. Elle.
Oh yeah.
Na.
You have a final word for this video?
A final word is
Subscribe.
subscribe to our channel, and sometimes in life you just need a line, and once you have a line, put Swarovskis on it so it shines.
Oh yeah, did we not mention this line? I think it was just so obvious. Well, anyway, this line is to separate this. Well, actually, you're on my side. Like, will you just...
I'm so sorry. How could I?
Anyway. Okay.
This is the thumbnail picture.
Yes, and smile. Great, we got it.
It's so fun, guys, that you leave us little comments below and we follow everything we can. And oh, that was so bad. So if you guys wanna be in touch, follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. Because
here's our phone number down the screen.
Phone number. If you guys like these videos, subscribe and follow up. And that sounds so stupid.
Just guys,
see you guys
have a
soon.
great day.
See you
And
That
so
was
anyway,
sad,
we
yeah.
hope you have a good day and you enjoy life. I feel like we're gonna watch this in like 10 years and we'll be like, wow.
What a great dressing room we
Like
had.
this dressing room was super
Also,
cool.
I think we should give credit to Francis. He designed the whole thing. He put the little lights
he
there.
did everything.
And he put everything in place.
Yeah, Lea just had to come here and sit on that chair.
Smile. And oh, we also bought the chairs actually. Well, okay.
Yeah, we also have like,
I mean,
did we
Francis bought
mention
them.
these chairs? These like smooshy chair, like
Comfortable.
super quality.
The best chair you can find in Moulin Rouge.
So anyway, that's it. This was our lodge at the Moulin Rouge, which we loved. And I love you too.
Oh, I love you too, darling.
Alright, well, see you soon in the next adventure.
Bye.